Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to page 3 of English language course of the Mashal Schools. Dear teachers, before anything, we have to interact with students and make it easy for them to talk about things around them. Today we have numbers and we have to naturally discuss numbers with students. Like we have number of things in our classrooms. Before starting the book, we have to count off things like how many fans are there in the room, in the classroom, how many books are there on your table, how many fingers do you have in your one hand, just like that. You have to naturally discuss each and everything so that students are easy. After that, you have to write these numbers on whiteboard and write the spelling of these numbers on whiteboard, and students will easily learn that. Let's do that practically. Okay, dear students, today we are going to talk about numbers. Are you ready for that? Yes. Okay. Number is a concept which is available around us. We can count anything. For example, how many children are sitting in this row? 1, 2, 3. How many fingers are there in my hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many markers do I have? 1, 2. 1, 2. How many markers? 2. And as like that, I have written some numbers on board that are from 1 to 10. And we can count them, we can learn spelling of these numbers, and we can count different things. Now I will ask different students that how many things they are, he will answer me. Okay? Are you ready for that? Yes. Okay students, as I told you that we can count off things, now I'm gonna ask you about something and you have to count and tell me the number. Starting from here, Ajwa, how many fans are there at our classroom? Okay, Salva, can you tell me how many doors are there in our classroom?
One door.
There is one door. Excellent. Alina, can you tell me how many tables are there in our classroom?
There is one table.
There is one table in our classroom. Excellent. Muhammad Ali, can you tell me how many windows are there in our classroom?
There are two windows.
There are two windows. Excellent. Shasaud, how many benches are there in our classroom?
There are 6 benches in classroom.
Excellent. Okay, Josefa, how many teachers are there in your classroom?
There is one teacher in classroom.
Mihani, can you tell me how many students are there in this classroom?
18 students.
18 students. Very good. Momina, can you tell me how many dustbins are there in your classroom?
There is one dustbin in our classroom.
Excellent. Excellent. Minha, can you tell me how many cameras are there in your classroom?
There is one camera.
Excellent. Okay, Ali Raza, can you tell me how many fingers do you have in one hand?
There are 5 fingers in one hand.
Excellent. Okay, so there's how many eyes do you have?
I have 2 eyes.
You have 2 eyes. Excellent. Okay, Ahmad Waqas, can you tell me how many alphabets are there in English language?
26 alphabets, 5 vowels and 21 consonants.
Excellent. There are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. That's excellent. Thank you. Okay, Namira, can you tell me how many brothers do you have?
I have one brother.
One brother. Excellent. Okay, Romesa, can you tell me how many classes are there in your school?
10 classes.
10 classes. Very good. Okay, Amna, can you tell me how many days are there in a week?
7 days.
7 days. Just like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, 7 days. Excellent. Okay, Marwa, can you tell me how many books do you have?
One book of English language.
Excellent. Okay, Amna, how many water flasks do you have?
I have one water bottle.
Okay, Zunaira, how many walls are there in your classroom?
There are 4 ones.
4 walls. Excellent. That's very good. Very good. Claps for my hat. Okay, that was just contribution to you. Thank you very much for your time, efforts. You have to learn things prominently as you do. And thank you very much again.